Mulberry production, silkworm rearing, and brocade production are traditional activities of Vietnamese people. The development of craft villages reflects the development of many generations of Vietnamese rural people. Sericulture has developed strongly and widely for many years thanks to favorable natural conditions. Brocade producers, therefore, have had stable materials. However, there is a wide range of difficulties and challenges in craft production development. Shortage of input materials and instability of product markets have made craft producers switch to other production activities. Those who continue craft production are facing many barriers in terms of production techniques, finance, and market. Brocade production in Hoa Tiến village, Nghệ An province has a long and impressive tradition in Vietnam. Most producers are women aged between 40 to 45 years old, and brocade production is handed down from mother to daughter through the generations. Brocade products from disadvantaged ethnic minority groups are traditionally made from natural material, cotton or silk, grown and produced locally, to which natural dyes, including various kinds of leaves, roots, barks, and flowers found in the surrounding environment, are applied. However, the traditional undiversified brocade products are in disadvantaged position compared to marketed industrial products. In addition, these women have limited skill in the management and operation of cooperatives and in technology. The lack of standardization of the dyeing process and uncontrolled use of raw materials, water, and mordant makes it difficult to ensure a consistent and stable color fixing on final products. In addition, the cooperative lacks the ability to find new customers, lacking marketing and basic language skills to communicate with interested buyers from abroad. The poverty rate in Châu Tiến is quite high. The average income of brocade production is estimated at 600,000 Vietnam dong per month. Nonetheless, albeit above the national poverty line, the income is still rather low and just below the internationally set poverty line of $1 per day. This is the same situation in most traditional handicraft production villages in Vietnam. The joint program Green Production and Trade to increase income and employment opportunities for the rural poor works to increase income and employment opportunities for some 4,800 poor farming and crafts producing households in 4 northern provinces of Vietnam: Hòa Bình, Phú Thọ, Thanh Hóa, Nghệ An. The program's approach is to develop better integrated, pro-poor, and environmentally sustainable green value chains, enabling poor growers, collectors, and producers to improve their products and link these to more profitable markets. The complex challenges faced by the 5 value chains, ranging from sustainable raw material production, entrepreneurial skills development, and cleaner production to market linkages and trade information deficits, can best be addressed by a joint program which combines the core competencies of the relevant UN agencies: Food and Agriculture Organization (FAO), UN Industrial Development Organization (UNIDO), International Labour Organization (ILO), UN Conference on Trade and Development (UNCTAD), and International Trade Center (ITC). There are also contributions from the Vietnam Handicraft Exporters Association (Vietcraft) and the Vietnam Trade Promotion Agency Viettrade. Most of the program's intervention activities are developed based on initial study on socio-economic conditions of the project's communes, as well as value chain studies for 5 target product groups. Therefore, the program can determine appropriate interventions for each commune with its competitive advantages. To develop better integrated, pro-poor, and environmentally sustainable green value chains, the program has brought a range of supports from growing, processing, and handicraft producing to developing final products and improving access to markets, from support for poor farmers, households, groups, and cooperatives to local companies getting involved in traditional silk production and export. Diễn Kim Commune, Diễn Châu, Nghệ An is one of the mulberry production areas supported by the program. Farmers here have been trained about mulberry planting techniques and had the opportunity to visit successful mulberry planting models in other provinces. FAO has provided new high-yielding mulberry varieties, helping Diễn Kim become a high-quality variety area of Vietnam. The results so far have satisfied farmers here.
Giống dầu VH13 là giống mới của dự án so với cái giống dầu địa phương là
VH13 is the new variety provided by the program.
lá nó to hơn này, thấy là lá to hơn này.
This variety brought up more bigger, thicker, greener mulberry leaves and shorter internode in comparison to old local one of Hà Bắc.
Mà lá nó có xanh rồi dày hơn.
Trials conducted by scientists showed that this variety could produce leaves every month from February to December, with a yield of 35 to 40 tons per hectare per year.
Tháng 2 cho đến tháng 12 là nó đều có lá cả. Mà tính ra là coi như cái của cái VH13 này nó cho thu nhập là từ 35 đến 40 tấn trên năm.
Besides supporting the material growing area of Diễn Kim, FAO has helped brocade production villages such as Hoa Tiến, Quỳ Châu, Nghệ An, or Bà Cò, Mai Châu, Hòa Bình, recover the old mulberry areas and their neighboring areas with which they can ensure input materials. As part of the ILO work program, women members of Hoa Tiến Textile Cooperative in Quỳ Châu, Nghệ An province benefited from a training on business group formation. In addition, one of the women leaders of the cooperative took part in a 6-day Emprotech training workshop organized by UNCTAD. The Emprotech program aims to build the entrepreneurial behavior of managers, owners of SMEs. In addition, UNIDO has conducted an assessment and has elaborated proposals to foster technology improvement while maintaining the traditional dyeing procedures as much as possible. In order to be able to reach a higher end of the market, producers continuously need to upgrade their designs, quality, and finishing techniques and be aware of current design and consumer trends. To have addressed this challenge, the ITC provided a team of foreign designers, including Hoa Tiến Cooperative, to develop new sustainable product ranges. New product collections were consequently put on display during April's Lifestyle Vietnam, the fair organized every April by the Vietnam Handicraft Exporters Association, Vietcraft.
Dự án cũng có hỗ trợ cho đi triển lãm hội chợ trong Sài Gòn được 2-3
The program supported us to participate in the trade fair, Lifestyle Vietnam, for 3 times, from 2010 to 2012. Thanks to this, consumers could directly see all our products.
Tất cả các sản phẩm của hợp tác xã cũng được tận mắt cho khách nhìn thấy sản phẩm của mình.
From the beginning of 2010, the program produced positive results, including significant improvement in mulberry production in terms of productivity and yield. Brocade producers have ensured their own input materials. Through the application of different techniques, the women weavers of Hoa Tiến Cooperative are able to create a variety of different brocade weaving patterns, with each pattern expressing a traditional belief or the portrayal of daily activities in a harmonious relationship with nature. More importantly, women in Hoa Tiến Cooperative have been equipped with business skills, group formation, and entrepreneurial traits such as taking calculated risk, seeking opportunities, goal setting, planning systematically, persistence, and self-confidence. They have had the opportunity to effectively market these products and find new buyers through participation in the Lifestyle Vietnam 2012 in April 2012. Lifestyle Vietnam 2012 aims to exhibit a wide range of products from Vietnam's 54 ethnic minorities, thereby contributing to economic empowerment for women producers and, as a result, contribute to preservation of ethnic minority culture and traditions.
Từ sau khi mà dự án thương mại xanh vào thì các chị em tập trung thành một cái hợp tác xã lớn mạnh hơn so với trước đây.
Since the program started, some women gathered to form a larger and stronger cooperative. Thanks to the program, there is a clear increase in the number of international buyers' orders compared to that before. Instead of the old income of 800,000 Vietnam dong per month, each woman presently can get over 1.5 million Vietnam dong per month.
800.000 đồng một tháng thì hiện nay thì là thu nhập trên 1.500.000 một tháng trên một người.
With these above achievements and few difficulties during the implementation, the program has nearly fulfilled its initial objectives, namely the creation of new income and employment opportunities for poor rural people, especially ethnic minority groups, through developing a better sustainable green value chain from mulberry production and silkworm rearing to weaving and brocade production. The development of the value chain of sericulture will contribute to promoting and preserving the culture and tradition of Vietnamese handicraft villages.